Hey guys, welcome back to Dwood Reviews. I'm David. Today we're going to review the Rustoleum metallic spray paint. This can go on metal, wood, just about anything you want it to. What we're going to do today is use a piece of 1/8 inch thick Baltic birch plywood, and we're going to apply this metallic spray paint on there and show you how good it looks and how well it applies. Okay, with the Rustoleum metallic spray paint, we're just going to shake it up really well. Take the top off, and what we're going to do is we're going to spray overlapping each side and letting off of the spray paint each way so that you don't start or stop on the piece that you're painting. And you're going to overlap that by 50% of the pattern that you put it down previous. Spray a little bit out to get it started. You're going to hold it about 10 to 12 inches away from the surface. Nice steady strokes back and forth. I'm going to come back and touch up a couple spots. Okay, we'll let that dry for a little while and we'll come back and see what it looks like. Okay guys, now that we've let that dry, this is the final product. Has a good even coat. That's with just one coat on it. If we wanted it to be a little bit more uniform, we can put a second coat and even that out. A lot of times you might want to go in the opposite direction with that. Like I said, this is a great product that I use all the time in my business, and it is the Rustoleum Metallic Brilliant Metal Finish Spray Paint. If you'd like to get some of your own, click on the link down in the description and get some off Amazon.